idea, Jelly. You should sing us a song while we ride the boat. So romantic.
I'd like a beat. I'd like a beat.
How am I supposed to make a beat to you making weird bee sounds?
Come on, give me the beat and I'll do the sounds.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Crainer. Thank you. I call that the bee harmony.
Let's just continue.
A few moments later.
We're done! Alright!
Hey!
Now let's go get Josh and kill him. If you die to your own thing, you're actually dumb. I don't want to be your friend anymore if that's it. Ow!
Okay. Shield of bashing! Crainer, could you hit me?
Ow! How did I shoot myself? If you die to your own thing, you're actually dumb.